Okay, so this is the first gardening video. I'm making a video to document the situation of my garden. I've made a series of these gardening videos last year, so I thought I'd just continue that. So, anyway, this is the beginning of the year. I planted these snap peas about a month ago, and you can see that they're steadily coming up now. I mean, they look like they're about 3-4 inches tall. So this is the main part of the fence. Last year, the snap peas didn't grow because of flooding, so I made sure to raise the ground level of the spot here. And you can see they're doing pretty well right now. So here's the strawberries. I mean, they're in the same spot as last year, obviously. Here's another spot there might be some planting in. So, you know, I planted snap peas in several spots. So over here, these snap peas I just planted about 2 weeks ago. And you can see they're just starting to come up. Let me just zoom in a little. Okay, see, now you can clearly see those little green shoots. Those are the snap peas. So, here they are. Again, these snap peas are only just shooting up because were planted sometime later, obviously. And here's the last spot. Again, these snap peas were planted just about a month ago. Actually, some snap peas were planted a week earlier than others, but by this point they've grown so that the later group caught up with the earlier group, and you can't really tell the difference between them. I don't know, for some reason those two smaller snap peas shut up like a week or two later, but they're there now. Who knows what was happening. And over there, I don't know you can see it, these are some upper snap peas that were planted like a month or several weeks later, and they're just starting to shoot up. Well, that seems to be it for the video. I mean, the only thing planted so far were snap peas, and I've shown all of them. I mean, the strawberries are a long-lasting crop, so, I mean, they're just always there like fruit trees. I mean, there are several other fruit trees. Well, okay. I think you've got a good idea of how the garden's doing, and bye. I mean, obviously I'm gonna plant several more crops later in May-ish, but that's not right now, so I don't think the next video will be warranted for at least a month or so. So bye.